Hey guys, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just sitting here with my mini pocket letter mess, just trying to create for my challenge. And there are actually some other challenges out there that I'm gonna link down below. I know I saw them, I didn't write them down. I do have to go back and find them. So these are just some that I am creating with the Rosie Studio Wildflower, I think it's called Wildflower, yes. But let me get to it, and I'm going to show you some of the entries that I have received for the swap and raffle. So here we go. So this entry is from Linnea, and Linnea is at It's a Deal here on YouTube, Instagram. And this is her entry. So let's see, she sent a card. Super cute. Oh, look at the eggs, the birdie eggs. Nice and springy. Enjoy the little things, for someday you will realize they were the big things. Wow, that's really nice. It's a nice saying. And here she included her postage and just a blank card. Thank you so much. I will put that in my card pile to be able to use in the future. And here are Leanna's pocket letters. Oh my gosh, how adorable. She used the Lucky Us collection. Oh, so stinking cute. Look at the, oh, I just love the colors. The colors make them so fun. Here, let's pull these. So they're all in frame. And let's take a look. So in the center of each of them, she made a shaker, left the pocket blank, with just like a sentiment across. So cute. And then the other pockets are decorated on the outside. And let's see, are they so decorated on the inside? Nope, everything looks like everything's decorated on the outside. Great idea. If we flip them over, oh, we have more goodies. So let's see, she included a little baggie of gems here. And then look at these, are these, I have never, look at these cute little buttons, guys. And that's her, It's a Deal. So that way you'll know who it's from when you receive it. But yeah, look at those buttons. Those are so adorable. I've never seen those. And then she has her tea bags in here. And she has a variety of different teas. So that's great because the tea bag was a requirement. Thank you so much, Linnea, for entering. Our next entry is from Julie Deskins. Julie is over on Instagram. So here is her entry. She included 4. So there's one here for me. So I'm going to leave these wrapped. Super cute the way she did them. But look at this tissue paper. It's like amoebas and stuff. That's so cool. Kind of reminds me of those glasses I just got from the Dollar Tree. So we'll put those aside and let's take a look at the one that she sent for me. Wrapped up in a cute little package. And we'll try not to rip too much of this tissue paper because we like it so much. And there's some little washi tape here. So minimal rippage. Okay, so let's put that over there. Open it up. Oh, wow. Ooh, look at how cute. So Julie went with an Easter theme here. So we have some bunnies and some balloons. In here we have a shaker mix that can come out with just some purples and blue. Oh, this is pretty. That's a really pretty mix. I'll pop that back in here. Well, we'll pop that back in there later. And then look at the little balloons. And then the Easter bunny. And then look at her tag. So it's, let's see how it's clipped on the side with a binder clip. And let's see, is it all attached or is it just, oh. So what she's actually doing, that looks so cute, but what she's actually doing is like gifting us this cool ribbon and trim by doing that. And then hanging on the binder clip are some wrapped beads. These are really pretty. I like the blues. Blues. So let's check the back. And on the back here, we have our tea bag. And then we have some goodies. So, oh, she included the balloons that were on the front. And it looks like she made that. Wow, that's so creative. Some of you ladies are so creative. And then she gifted some bunnies, some glitter bunnies. Is that from a punch or a die? They're really cute. Some chamomile tea. And then in here we have some, oh, look at this. Oh, some more of the balloons. And look at these little trolls. Oh, these are so cute. Look at how cute. So these must be dies that she had, and then she pieced them together. Really cute. Thank you so much, Julie, for entering. I love all the goodies. So as I was putting everything away in Julie's pocket letter, all of her pockets have little pockets. So if you see, everything gets tucked in the little pocket and then goes into the holder. Super cute idea. More ideas, ladies.